This brief video is going to give you an introduction to Unit 1. Unit 1 is going to be made up of two parts. Number 1 is your course materials and policy. For this section, you're going to be reading and reviewing a number of items that are important to understanding the course. Make sure that if you did not attend our first session where we review the course policies, that you do watch the video embedded into the course. This is also where you'll find your Raise Your Hand discussion board if you have questions. You want to make sure that as you work through that course materials section that you do take the course materials and policy completion quiz. It's just making sure that you've read and reviewed all the information in there. After you get through that, you're going to be completing Unit 1. Unit 1 is going to start off with Section 1 being a reading, Section 2 reading on elements of art and taking a quick reading check-in quiz. In the quick check-in quiz, you are able to retake if you do not score a passing grade, so make sure to do that. Section 2, you're going to move on from there and move on to 3, and you will be reading about the principles of design and completing another check-in quiz. Section 4 is a virtual field trip, so you'll just be looking through the information and reading. Section 5, you'll be completing the Getting to Know You discussion board. Please watch the video directions for that separately. You'll then move on to Section 6, where you'll be learning about art history and then taking a quiz. Section 7, you'll be learning about criticism and aesthetics and taking another reading quiz. The reading quizzes are just check-in quizzes with just a couple questions on them. You can retake those and get the highest score possible. Section 8 is your last section in Unit 1, and that will be your unit review and quiz. Again, this is just a few questions for you to complete, and you have the opportunity to retake that for the highest score. After you complete Unit 1, you can start moving on and move on to Unit 2, Ancient Egypt.